Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I teach you the beauty basics so that you can feel confident with your existing makeup skills so you can get out there and show bigger for the more important parts of your life. In today's video, I am teaching you all about eyeshadow. What color should you be picking for your eye color? And what are the rules when it comes to eyeshadows? If you want to receive my 5 makeup secrets to achieving that flawless face every single time, make sure you go download this free guide that I created, and it can be found in the link in the description box below. Okay, let's start with what not to do when it comes to your eyeshadows. You don't want your eyeshadow to match your outfit. Gone are the days where if you were wearing blue, that meant that you needed to wear blue eyeshadow. You also don't want one solid color. Try to aim for at least 2 colors, where the darker color is going to be more for the transition or the crease color, and the lighter color is going to be for the lid color. Darker colors you're going to keep more towards the outside of your eyelid to help lift up the eye, where the lighter color is going to be more for the inside of your corner of your eye to help open up the eye. Whether you are going for the smoky eye or more the traditional eye, you really want to have a little bit of a gradient in your color choices. Shimmers are meant for accents, not to be plastered all over the lid. Oh my god, do you guys remember when you would put silver eyeshadow on your eyelids? So here are some basic rules when picking out an eyeshadow color. Your color choices really depend on the undertones of your skin. Keep to the same tones as your skin. If you are more warm toned, you probably have the reds, the yellows, the golden undertones, and your complexion is probably a little bit on the darker side. Great colors for warm tones are your browns, beiges, reds, blacks, and even your blues. If you are cool toned, you probably have more of the yellow and blue undertones and some reds as well, and you probably are a little on the fair side. Now, great colors for cool tones are going to be your grays, your blacks, your silvers, your whites, and purples. Now, these 2 palettes are my favorite palettes as they are already assorted according to tones. So this one has more cool tones, where this one has obviously more of the warm tones, but both palettes have a good mixture, going a little bit more into the warm and the cool tones in each. They're easy to pack, and they have basically a color for anybody. Now, the most important thing when it comes to eyeshadows is to experiment and have fun. If you see a look that you really love and you're wondering how they created it, it is most likely done by layering quite a few colors within that transition shade. So don't be afraid of color, definitely play around with it. Make sure to blend as much as you can, and don't forget that you can always add more eyeshadow versus taking away. Now, of course, I want to know, what are your favorite eyeshadow colors? What colors are you afraid of? What colors do you love? Do you have that one color that you just like absolutely love every single time? Mine is probably the brown color or the clove color in one of those palettes. Definitely Pebble, oh my god. Anyways, I want to know, so make sure you leave a comment before, and if you aren't already following me, make sure to go follow me at Katelyn on Instagram, where you can tag me in your photos so that I can see them and I'll share them on my feed. And of course, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more beauty basics just like this one, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you are notified every single time I post a new video. I look forward to creating more content for you, and I can't wait to see you guys again. Bye.